Let us now discuss another question from past test papers of IBHL. The question here is, the diagram shows curve with the equation y equals to 2 plus k cos x. A point A lies on the curve and has coordinates minus pi by 3, 7 by 2. The point B with coordinates AB is the minimum. Find the value of k, find the value of A and B. These are the two parts. You can always pause the video, answer the question. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel where we provide you with solutions of your questions. A brilliant learning platform. Now let us see how do we solve this problem. Well, we are given the equation which is y equals to 2 plus k cosine x. We are also given a point A on the curve whose coordinates are minus pi by 3, 7 by 2. So if I substitute this coordinate point, then I can find the value of k. So that will be our first step. Substituting, we get y value of 7 by 2 equals to 2 plus k times cos of minus pi by 3. Right, so minus pi by 3 means we are in which quadrant? We are in quadrant 4. And if you apply the cos rule, we know it is going to be positive, correct? Also, pi by 3, you can make a right triangle. And this angle is pi by 3 with cos value of half. So what we get here is 7 by 2 equals to 2 plus k times half. Perfect. You understand this step? So we substitute the value of cos minus pi by 3. You don't really need a calculator for this. Special triangle works perfectly fine. Right? So this is your special triangle. Now to solve this for k, let's multiply each and every term with 2, get rid of the fractions in the denominators. So we get 4 plus k. And 7 minus 4 equals to the value of k, which is 3. So we found the value of k as 3. Once we find this value of k as 3, we can write down what the equation is. Right? So the equation now becomes y equals to 2 plus 3 cos of x. Perfect. Now the thing is, where will this point B be? So we had already done part A, finding the value of k as 3, right? Now we'll work on second part of this equation to find the values of the minimum for this particular function. Now you can see this is a cosine function with maximum here and minimum there. So the period for this function is what? Period is 2 pi and minimum is at pi, right? So minimum happens to be at pi. So we can plug in pi for x and find the value of y to get the coordinates of b. That's one thing to do it. So let's do it. So we get y equals to 2 plus 3 times cos pi. Makes sense, correct? Because at pi, we get the minimum value, right? So we'll get the minimum value, which is b from here. We already have seen that the value a, the x value, is equal to pi, correct? So we are solving for b now. So let's continue with this solution. Y equals to 2 plus 3 times cos of pi will be negative 1, right? So we get y equals to 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. And that gives you the coordinate points of b, which is x value is going to be equal to pi and the y will be minus 1. Is that clear to you? That is how we are going to solve this question. Perfect. You see how we have solved this question? With the value a given to us, we found the value of k, right? And once we had k as equal to 3, we changed the equation, wrote down k as 3, and the minimum, which is minus pi by at minus pi minus, sorry, pi and minus 1, correct? So we got the value of p. So I hope that is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. Also, check our playlist for many more related questions. See you in the next lesson. Happy learnings.